Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will be discussing the top 3 best 2023 Epson Ecotank printers for sublimation. Epson is the world's most well-known brand for its high-quality, long-lasting sublimation printers. And with that in mind, we have chosen the best top 3 2023 Epson Ecotank printers for sublimation. So that you can get the most out of your sublimation projects, we all know that a quality sublimation printer can make or break an artist's career, which is why it's essential to choose the right one. To help you out, we've put together this list of the top 3 best 2023 Epson Ecotank printers sublimation. The output quality of these printers is phenomenal, making them an excellent option for artists and professionals alike. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each Epson Ecotank sublimation printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is Epson WF7720 Wireless Color Inkjet Printer. Get ready to take your printing game to the next level with the Epson Workforce WF7720 Wireless Wide Format Color Inkjet Printer. This powerhouse printer is perfect for anyone looking to produce high-quality prints up to 13 inches by 19 inches in size, with stunning borderless finishes that will make your designs pop. With precision core technology, the WF7720 guarantees exceptional performance beyond laser printing, making it one of the top 3 best Epson Ecotank printers for sublimation printing. And the best part? You can enjoy all this quality while saving money, as it uses up to 80% less power than color laser printers. The WF7720 is also designed to handle high-volume printing, with a 500 sheet capacity that ensures you won't constantly reload paper. Its dual trays and rear feed make printing on specialty paper a breeze, while the 35-page auto document feeder makes auto two-sided printing, copying, scanning, and faxing a cinch. Navigating the printer is made easy with the 4.3-inch color touchscreen, and you can even control it from your mobile device thanks to its wireless printing and networking capabilities. Plus, the WF7720 is designed to work with Epson cartridges, ensuring you always get the best quality prints. Overall, the WF7720 is a powerhouse printer perfect for anyone looking to produce large and beautiful prints. Whether you're a designer, artist, or someone who loves to print big, this printer will surely impress. So why wait? Get the Epson Workforce WF7720 Wireless Wide Format Color Inkjet Printer today and start printing like a pro. So if you like this printer, check out the link in the description box below to buy it. Number 2 is Epson SureColor P900 17-inch printer. If you're in the market for a sublimation printer that can easily handle even the most significant printing jobs, the Epson Ecotank series is where it's at. And when it comes to printing with stunning detail and color, the Epson SureColor P900 17-inch printer reigns supreme. Its exceptional image quality and color reproduction make the P900 stand out. The Ultrachrome Pro 10 ink with violet produces a wide color gamut that delivers rich, vibrant colors that will make your prints pop. With dedicated nozzles for both black ink types, you won't need to worry about any ink switching. But the P900 doesn't just look good, it performs like a dream too. Its 10-channel micro-piezo AMC printhead consistently delivers speedy, accurate prints with outstanding consistency. And with wireless connectivity and an intuitive interface, you can print color-managed files directly from your iOS device. What sets the P900 apart is its carbon black driver technology. This cutting-edge technology dramatically increases Dmax for best-in-class black density on glossy papers, making your black and white prints crisp, clean, and stunning. And with professional media handling that accommodates rolls and sheet media up to 1.5 millimeters thick, you can print on various Epson professional, signature-worthy, legacy papers, and third-party media. The P900 is designed for easy use, with a customizable 4.3-inch touchscreen, wireless connectivity, and even an interior LED light for fast and convenient operation. And with prints lasting up to 200 years in color and 400 years in black and white, this printer is truly an investment in your art or business. If you think this printer meets your requirements, check out the link in the description box below to purchase it right now. Number 3 is Epson Ecotank Pro ET5800 All-in-One Printer. Sublimation printing enthusiasts, get ready to take your designs to the next level with the Epson Ecotank Pro ET5800 wireless color all-in-one super tank printer. This printer is a true game changer when it comes to sublimation printing, and here's why. First and foremost, the Ecotank Pro ET5800 is a wireless all-in-one printer that can easily handle all your printing needs. This machine covers whether you need to print, scan, copy, or fax. And with its precision core heat-free technology, you won't have to wait long to see your designs come to life. It's lightning fast. But what sets the Ecotank Pro ET5800 apart from the competition is its revolutionary Ecotank technology. No more fiddling around with expensive cartridges. This printer uses high-capacity ink tanks that can be refilled with low-cost replacement bottles. This means you can print up to 7,500 pages in black or 6,000 pages in color without filling the tanks, saving you a ton of money in the long run. And with its pigment-based ink, you can expect your prints to be nothing short of crisp, vibrant, and long-lasting. Paper handling is a breeze with the Ecotank Pro ET5800. It has 2 front trays and a rear feed for specialty paper, allowing for a 500 sheet paper capacity. And with its ability to print borderless prints up to 8.5 inches by 14 inches, you can take your sublimation printing to a whole new level. The Epson Ecotank Pro ET5800 wireless color all-in-one super tank printer is the ultimate sublimation printing machine. With its lightning-fast print speeds, low-cost ink replacement bottles, and versatile paper handling capabilities, you can create stunning, professional-quality prints in no time. If you want to purchase this printer, then check out the link given in the description box below. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best Epson Ecotank printer for sublimation. If you like any of these best Epson sublimation printers, then check out the link in the description box to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.